In this video, I'll show you how to add a blog on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're done logging in, you're going to choose the website that you want to add the blog for, and once you choose that, we're going to come to the left side of the sidebar here. We're going to click on website, and on the website we're going to click on pages. Now on the pages, under the main navigation, the plus sign here, you're going to click on it, and this is where you're going to look for the blog page. So this sign is for you to add a new page, and under collections you can see blog. You click on blog, and just like that, you've been able to add a new blog. It's going to ask you for the layout that you want to put on the blog. Let's choose this layout, and just like that, we have a new blog on our website, and this is what it should look like. It's going to ask you to rename blog, and you're going to call it any name that you want, but let's name it a web blog. And we have our web blog name here, and once the page loads, you see it here, it says web blog name. And that's how you add a blog on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.